Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Vivoactive 4 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair your Vivoactive 4 with a pair of Bluetooth headphones. So the Vivoactive 4 has the ability to store up to 500 songs, and this includes if you're using third-party music apps such as Deezer, Spotify, or Amazon Music to listen to music or podcast. Now, in order to listen to those songs or podcasts, you're going to have to connect your watch to a pair of Bluetooth headphones. So let's go on and get started. The first thing we need to do from the watch face on our Vivoactive 4 is simply hold down the button right here in the bottom right next to the 4 o'clock hour marker. Just hold that down for a second until you open the menu. With the menu open, we're going to scroll down until we see the gear. Go ahead and select the gear to get into the settings. And then in the settings, we're going to scroll down until we see music. Go ahead and select music. Once you're in music, go ahead and select headphones. And then in headphones, select add new. So now your Vivoactive 4 will be searching for headphones that are in pairing mode. So the next step is going to be to simply put your headphones in pairing mode. And typically that can be done by just holding down the power button for a couple seconds. If you have an LED light on your Bluetooth headphones, you'll see them start blinking, or it'll blink red and blue. Once it's in pairing mode, go back to your Vivoactive 4, and your headphones should come up. So as you can see, the MPOW H5s, that's these right here, they came up. All I need to do is simply select them now. It'll start the connection process with the headphones. And now when we go back to headphones, you'll see your headphones in the list of available headphones. And if your headphones are turned on, you'll see that they're connected. Now, if you want to remove these headphones from being connected to your Vivoactive 4, all you need to do is select into them. Then you can turn the status off right there. You can even remove them from your Vivoactive 4 so that your Vivoactive 4 will no longer pair with them whenever they're turned on. Now when you listen to any music stored on your Vivoactive 4, it'll play through the headphones that we just connected. So that's how you connect your Vivoactive 4 to a pair of Bluetooth headphones. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Vivoactive 4 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.